In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira's control chart to measure cycle time accurately. If you're an agile software engineer, scrum master, or product leader, this is a great way to understand how long work actually spends moving through your development process. Instead of guessing how long issues sit in progress, you can use Jira's built-in reporting tools to see that data clearly and make better delivery decisions. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira workspace. If you normally access Jira through your company's Atlassian site, enter that address and sign in securely. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Projects menu near the top of the page and open the software project you want to analyze. This is important because the report will reflect the workflow and issue activity inside the specific project you choose. After your project loads, you'll usually see your Agile board and the project navigation on the left side of the screen. In that left sidebar, find Reports and click it. This opens Jira's reporting area where you can access a variety of charts designed to help you monitor team performance and workflow trends. When the reports catalog appears, scroll until you find Control Chart. This is the report you'll use to measure cycle time, which is the time an issue spends actively moving through your workflow before it reaches completion. Click the control chart to open it. Next, you'll want to configure the chart so it reflects the stages that matter most. Under the chart, locate the setting labeled columns. Here, you can choose which workflow columns Jira should use to calculate cycle time. Deselect columns that don't represent active work, such as to-do or backlog, and keep only the production stages you want to track, like in progress and in review. This helps ensure the chart focuses on real execution time instead of including waiting stages that could distort your data. You can also refine the report further using the time frame and refine by filters. Set the time frame to something useful, such as past 30 days, so you're looking at recent and relevant activity. Then, if needed, narrow the results by issue type, such as stories or bugs, to get a more focused view of your team's work. Once your filters are in place, Jira will automatically update the chart. Review the blue trend line to understand your average cycle time. Hover over individual dots to inspect how many days a specific issue spent in active workflow. You can also look at the shaded area to get a sense of consistency across your team's delivery pattern. By using this report correctly, you can identify delays, improve forecasting, and build a much clearer picture of engineering velocity inside Jira. Thanks for watching, and I'll